Resetting Apple Pay in store is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, make sure you have the latest version of iOS on your device and that you are in a location with a stable internet connection. First, open the Wallet app on your device. This is where all your Apple Pay cards are stored. Locate the card you want to reset and tap on it to view the card details. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Remove Card option. This will remove the card from Apple Pay. Next, go to the Apple ID account page and sign in with your Apple ID and password. Navigate to the Payments and Passes section and select the device you want to reset Apple Pay on. Find the card you removed earlier and click on the Add to Wallet option to re-add it to Apple Pay. If you are having trouble resetting Apple Pay, try restarting your device and then repeat the process. You can also try contacting the bank that issued your card for assistance, as they may be able to provide additional guidance. It is also important to note that resetting Apple Pay will not affect any other features or functions on your device. Your cards and passes will be removed from Apple Pay, but you can easily re-add them by following the same steps. In addition, if you have multiple devices connected to the same Apple ID, you will need to reset Apple Pay on each device individually. This is to ensure that your cards and passes are securely removed from all devices. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reset Apple Pay in store. Remember to always keep your device and Apple ID information up to date to ensure a smooth and secure experience with Apple Pay.